Tods Workshop in the UK makes these ash stock, very tough, steel bow, linen, I believe, heavily braided, very heavy duty bowstring. It does have a stirrup, but this is 350 pounds. You'd be hard pressed to pull that by hand. So you have a goat's foot. Very clever, very efficient. Heavy ash bolt. Target tips. Put your thumb over the butt, stabilizes it. If you're shooting down, works quite good. 15th century example of a light crossbow, 350 pounds. That's light compared to the 1,000-pound battlefield weapons most typically still in use.